Elon Musk has made it to the headlines again. This time, it is because of his warning to investors. He has revealed a piece of insider information that could help investors in these crucial times. But is this good news for long-term investors? Or should people be worried? What was the statement given by the tech Rockefeller Elon Musk? Let's see. What did he warn about? Recently, the tech billionaire Elon Musk warned against having margin debt in a volatile market. It is something he is guilty of doing. This was a bummer for corporate investors because it was a great investment time. But what exactly did Elon Musk mean by advising to keep the heads down at this point in the market? Turning pages back to when Elon Musk made the news for buying Twitter, it sure did make a hell of media coverage. But behind all the glamour of the tech world, there was an untold truth. Musk put up billions of dollars from his pocket, $44 billion to be precise, but only to find himself facing the $13 billion debt looking down on Twitter. According to some news agencies, Elon Musk's bankers are considering replacing the list of high-interest debt with new margin loans backed up by his own Tesla Inc. stocks. This means that he is personally responsible for repaying the debt. Why should you listen to Elon Musk? Recently, we have been following up on the news of the recessions in the tech world, but does this mean that it is a bad time to enter the market? Well, it's complicated in terms of new investors entering the business, but there is another perspective to it, according to Elon Musk. The billionaire came up with his predictions for the trends of the market. He expressed his concerns over the upcoming recessions, which might baffle many investors. But Elon Musk has a plan for the short run for capital gains. He thinks that the US downturn alone will last over 18 months. He guesses that it will be a forthcoming stormy day for the market for about 1.5 years. Does this mean that the downfall might just be gradual support for various markets? And is this the best time to pull out from the market as a buyer? Not exactly. Elon Musk is a long-term player in the market. He not only influences the financial world directly through his companies, but also gets a fair amount of share of his opinions on the current trends. What investors should you, as an investor, should do? Elon Musk completely agrees with the way the year 2023 is headed to a recession. He also clearly stated that the depths of the recessions might get overlooked like the housing bubble burst phases in the year 2009. He also thinks it might put a fair amount of wounds like the one in the year 2009. Okay, let us get this straight. So, one should not invest at this point in the market? Or is this completely rhetorical based on the fact that the market has healed up pretty good based on the fall due to COVID? And what are the true winning steps Elon Musk hit in the statement he made in the podcast? For all these questions, there is a one-line answer. Nothing is more expensive than a missed opportunity. So, it turns out Elon Musk was advising investors to hold hard cash in their hands, not as a pullback to the downtrends that might just become a reality, but for the opportunities one may miss. Exactly betting against the market. One thing everyone oversaw in the events of the 2009 housing market crisis was how much capital could be obtained by betting against the market at the right time. Elon Musk thinks the market is well overdue for a recession. This just adds the confidence of a tech tycoon commenting on the fact that the recession is on the bay waiting to be hit. This is why he suggests investors brace themselves for future opportunities the market may provide. This cluster of suggestions would have been rather a wage, but apparently it is backed up by people like Jeff Bezos and other e-commerce pioneers. The latter also warned about the impending recessions that might go either way in these opportunistic times. But most importantly, one should be prepared. He made his debut in the matter by suggesting to batten down one's hatches and wait for the big moment in the market. It simply meant that we should take fewer risks and delay the big ticket gains. So, what's the way to go for any investor out there? Well, pretty simple. Keep the powder dry and ready to be fired, as suggested by Elon Musk. This is the time to capitalize on the ways of the market and never forget the mantra, invest wisely. Let us know what you guys think about Elon Musk's advice in the comments. Do you agree with him? Don't forget to like and subscribe to never miss an update.